greetings everyone. Now today our MCQ spot. The question number 1. Calculate the elevation boiling point of 0.1 m glucose aqueous solution. Assume 100% ionization. In each case the Kb is 0.52 km inverse. Now we need to find elevation boiling point, that is a delta Tb, elevation boiling point. Now we can use the formula is delta Tb is equal to I into Kb into m. Now I is given, that is a glucose. It won't be ionized. It is only one molecule in the form of molecule 1. Now Kb is given 0.52 and m. The m we are taken as it is a 0.1 gram of glucose. 0.1 gram. Now it becomes 0.052. Now the question they are asking elevation boiling point, it is a delta T. It is our answer. If you want to find the boiling point, that means Ts. If they ask some other questions, Ts. Now we can find the delta Tb is equal to Ts minus T0. Now delta Tb is we need to find. Now Ts minus T0 is equal to 0.052, but we need only Ts. T0 plus 0.52. T0 is the absolute temperature is 373 Kelvin plus 0.052. This become 373.052 Kelvin. That is the boiling point of the answer. It is the elevation boiling point, delta Tb elevation boiling point. Now see that we are going to explain. I'm going to explain the question number 2. The calculate the boiling point of 0.1 ml of 1 m NaCl, the solution which assume 100% ionization. In each case Kb we need to find. We are given already boiling point. Before question is elevation boiling point, there is a delta Tb, but we done and boiling point also in the previous question. The same formula we can use, the same calculation. First we need to find the delta Tb. Now delta Tb is equal to I into Kb into m. Now I is the dissociation into two ions, Na plus and Cl minus. I is the 2 and Kb is given already 0.52 and m is given also 0.1 molar. 0.1 molar. By multiplying it will become 0.104 is the K for the delta Tb. But what we need to find, that is delta Ts minus T0 is equal to delta Tb. Now Ts minus T0 is equal to, now we got the value is delta Tb 0.14 kelvins. Now Ts is equal to T naught plus 104. That will become Ts is equal to absolute temperature at 373 Kelvin plus 0.0.14. It become 373.104 kelvins. This is the boiling point of question answer. Now one more question. Now what is the diffusion freezing point of 0.1 mole of glucose was 100% ionization? In each case, the diffusion freezing point we need to find means delta TF we need to find. Now we are given M value is given 0.1, Kf also is given and 1.86. Now we can use the formula is delta TF is equal to I into Kf into M. Now is given 1% of glucose. It won't be ionized in the form of only one molecule, that is I is 1. Now Kf is given 1.86 into M is given around the question shape 0.11. Now it will become 0.186. The result delta TF. It is at delta TF. Now I am going to explain question number 4. See the question number 4. What is the given? What is the freezing point of the 0.1 mole of NaCl solution at 100% ionization in the case of Kf? In case of Kf is 1.86. Now we need to find freezing point, that is delta Ts we need to find as a Tf. Now first we can use the formula delta Tf freezing point is equal to I into Kf into M. Now the I value become number of ions. 2 ions will form. The ionization form. Ionization is in the question means 2 ions will form. Now molar concentration is given and Kf also is given. Now 2 into 1.86 into 1.86 into M is given 0.1. Now delta TF will become 0.372 kelvins. Now we have to find the delta TF is equal to formula is T naught minus TF. Now you can write as it is the 0.372. Now we need to TF is equal to minus T naught plus 0.372. Now TF is equal to, by doing cancellation, it become 273 K minus 0.372. Now TF is here, finally will get 272.628 Kelvin. This is our answer. They are asking freezing point question. It is the freezing point of the solution. Now I am going to explain the question number 5. Which of the following the solution which highest boiling point? Highest boiling point means the ionization value is I value is more, that is the our highest boiling point. Now in this case NaCl is formed 2 ions. It is the because of the all R concentration is same. All R concentration is compared to only number of ions. It is a 2 ions, 3 ions. It is only in the form of molecule, one molecule. It is formed 4 ions. Now highest number of ions more means that the boiling point is highest. Now which of the following is lowest freezing point? Means either number of ions and freezing point. I values they are inversely proportional. Now here highest means here lowest means nothing but highest. Now in this case this is also forming two ions because of your all concentration also same 1 0.1 0.1 0.1 0.1. What is the difference in the molecules? It form three ions. It is a urea only one form one ion. ALC it form four ions. Glucose will form also one ion. In this one the lowest freezing point is nothing but it is a highest boiling point. The answer is C. Answer is C. Now question number, I'm going to explain the question number 7. The which of the following solution with the highest elevation boiling point? Highest elevation boiling means number of ions. In this case also number of ions are more, ionization is more, then that is highest elevation boiling point. Now option is 0.1%, 0.1%. Already they give the percentage of the more percentage is the 1% is given, but what is the difference? It is the glucose will form only one ion, sucrose also will form only one molecule. It is one molecule in the form of molecule. It will form three ions, but it will form four ions. Now highest they are asking the question. Highest is the option D. It forms four ions. Now